This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bettie Wuthrich. Great condition 2 BRM 2 BTH downstairs unit. No fee condo at North End Beach. The unit has been renovated and has been used as a second home. It has not been used as a rental since renovation. Walk or bicycle to the beach. Convenient to many restaurants and night spots and other beach activities. Great opportunity to own a piece of the beach at a great price. Buyer can work with seller to purchase furnishings by a separate agreement. For more information, review the details below.